Hi folks, recently I went on YouTube and watched a review from Knox Protective Products on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. They actually had a wee competition to win a pair of Knox Urbane Pro gloves. You just had to like the video, which I did like, I enjoyed it, and also leave a wee comment. Luckily, I won. For the first time ever in my life, I won the competition. So Knox contacted me, made me aware that I'd won the competition, asked me to contact them, give them my contact details, and lo and behold, a day later, this lovely package arrived, and within it is a pair of Knox Urbane Pro gloves in medium. So these gloves, not the sort of glove that I would normally buy. Do that. Okay. There's one undone. So you've got your little silica, little sheet. Let's try and work out. I could probably have done with a pair of scissors. Ah, there we go. Reading glasses. Yeah, so it's got the scaphoid protection system. It's USA patented. It's abrasion resistant and it's breathable. More details from www.planet-knox.com. So it's Hand Armour Urbane Pro Glove Black Medium. So here we are. Sort of waffle material, leather on the fingers, bit of protection on 3 of the fingers, not on the 4th, not quite sure why. Your knuckle guard, more waffle material, nice little, don't know if it'll show up on camera, nice little K for Knox on the leather bit there. Okay, and then neoprene at the cuff. So the other side, that's your scaphoid protection. Leather palm, suede here, leather fingers with a couple of little ear holes, probably for breathability. Bit of suede down the side with a tiny little bit. It says Knox on it. And then you have obviously de-rigger now. It feels like suede, but it's a sort of touch type material for smartphones, so you can still watch your smartphone. And again on the thumb. On your hexagon bits here, there's a couple with holes in rather than solid, so again that'll help in the breathability. The cuff, basically pull that, the little tab slides to open to allow your hand in. That's relatively tight, I suppose that's a good thing. And then on here, if you pull this, that tightens it again, and then over and makes a nice tight seal. That feels quite nice on, plenty of movement. Unfortunately not got the opportunity to go out today. So on your bits where it stretches, it's not sealed there, so it lets you stretch easier, and also on the fingers as well. That shows up, the leather's not sealed at that particular point, so it lets you flex your hand quite well. I'm not sure what micro lock is, but it's got micro lock as well. So again, you sort of pull that, put your hand in, cut obviously the tags off later, and then that was actually quite a good example of that. So that's it loose so you can get your hand in, and then when you pull, it basically tightens it and gives you a nice tight seal. So these are really comfortable, and I'm actually really fortunate because this is a type of glove that I would never actually part with my own money for, simply because it's a summer glove. I don't feel the £99 price point would give me value for money. I'm probably too tight, to be perfectly honest, to buy them. This may change my opinion. I live in Scotland. Yesterday was about 17-18 degrees when I was out. I was out before these arrived, unfortunately, and I was wearing a different make's summer gloves, which actually I find quite heavy. They're not very summery. So these ones are much more summery. I think the airflow through these will be much more. I think I might find them too cold, but we'll see. But if I was looking at these in the shop, I wouldn't buy them, simply because I would sit and look at them and go, they're going to be too drafty, there's going to be too much air goes through. And as I say, 17-18 degrees, that's a nice day in Scotland. It was lovely and sunny, but there was points where my hands, you know, the heated grips almost came on. And obviously heated grips don't do the backs of your hands, so all that airflow through all these points would probably not make me want to buy these. However, as I say, I've won them in a competition, so I'll give them a good go. I'll let you know, give you some feedback on how they go. I think if you live in a slightly warmer climate, as in south of Carlisle, they might be ideal. I believe Knox are based in the Lake District, so you know it's a couple of 100 miles away from me. But obviously the climate there is maybe a wee bit nicer than it is here, or maybe they just get nicer weather more often. So we'll give them a go. We'll see how it goes. But quality wise, they look really good. They're a really nice fit. They obviously feature quite a lot of protection, which Knox are obviously famous for. So they're well made, they're comfortable, and they'll offer me a good bit of protection should the worst happen when I'm riding, though hopefully it won't. But it's a wee bit of peace of mind. But yeah, so hopefully in the next week or so I'll have a new video with me actually able to tell you how they feel whilst riding, rather than just sitting on a chair in my dining room. Well, thanks for watching, and thanks to Knox Protective Products for picking me. I'm well chuffed at winning a pair of £100 gloves out of the blue, the week of my birthday as well, so it was a nice wee added bonus for me. And as I say, I don't normally win competitions, so if you're like me and you don't normally win competitions, enter them. It happens. Here's the proof. So thanks once again for watching. Have a wee look at some of my other videos if you want. And I'll keep you posted how I get on with these. Thank you.